Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandy if you're new, and I invite you to subscribe. I am showing you today, in today's video, what my patrons are going to be receiving for the February Happy Mail. This is the Bluegrass tier. I still have some spots available, so be sure to check it out. I have a link in the video description. So first off, that one of the things they'll be getting is this little pocket tag that I made, and it's a Valentine theme mostly for this February Happy Mail. And so they'll get one of these tags. They'll also get one of these fabric tags, and I sewed around the edges so you can journal on the back, or you can cover that up if you want. And then you can decorate and put some embellishments on the front of this. They'll be getting a pink bingo sheet. They'll be getting a heart embossed and inked journaling card. They'll be getting this paper with the hearts on it. They'll be also getting a sheet of Minnie Mouse stationery. They also will be getting a card base, and I have scalloped the front edge of that card. And then with that, they will be getting some heart die cuts. So you have lots of different options and combinations. You can use them with the journal card or with the blank card base. And you also have these heart frames. So lots of different options and ways that you can use that. They'll also be getting this wax seal that has a heart on it. They'll be getting it, each one will be different, but they'll be getting a vintage Valentine, and this is one example. They'll be getting 2 vintage playing cards, roses in honor of Valentine's Day. They'll get their monthly newsletter from me. And they will be getting some stickers made by me. And what's fun about these stickers is they can use them on the cards, or they can use them on a journal layout, or they can use them in their planner that they received in January as part of the January Patreon. Now, if you join in February and you hadn't already joined in January, I will send you one of these little booklets so that you can partake in using the stickers and things like that in the little booklet. So that's a little bonus. If you join in February, you'll get this little booklet from the January Happy Mail. And then the last thing that they'll be receiving is this beautiful placemat. And this can be used as a journal cover. It can be cut down and made into tags. You could tear it up and use it for collaging, or you could make it into journal cards, or use it for clusters. You could fussy cut the butterflies out. So lots of different options, and it's a really kind of nice weight to it. So yeah, so this is what my patrons will be receiving, the Bluegrass tier, as well as I have opened an international level tier. So the international tier will receive this as well. So details down below if you want to sign up. I have a few spots left. So anyway, I'm really excited about this month's Happy Mail. And thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.